Hey, all of you, join your hands together and a big applause to the champion of the day, Favour. She passed and she made us all very happy. Put your mic on, all of you. Congratulations, congratulations.
Congrats.
Simba.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Aguri.
Congratulations. Congrats.
Okay, just a second.
Favour, congratulations.
All of us. Okay. Okay, now, Favour, where are you? Put your mic on.
I'm here.
Hey, champion, how are you feeling? We're all very happy and very proud of you. You tell from your own words since you joined and whatever happened and how the whole journey was, so the rest of them can get inspiration from you.
Okay, first of all, I'll start by saying a very big thank you to my teacher, my very own teacher. Thank you so much. I appreciate every word that you say here. I really appreciate. I'm very happy. I don't know how to express it, but I'm really happy. I'm excited because I never expected it. What I saw today was like magic. Everyone was asking me, Favour, how do you do it? I could not even explain it. Everything I learned here, everything you always say, write this down, do this, write down, they all worked perfectly for me. First of all, I've been a bad student, I know. I don't answer questions, I don't do quiz. Even when you ask questions, I know it, but I don't just want to answer. I don't like raising my hands to answer questions. Not that I don't know it, but I do. I know them. So each time you say, I know some of you here who knows the answer, but they are afraid to raise them.
Yeah.
I always feel attacked. I say, oh, he knows I'm the one. But I'm very happy it came out this way today. And I made 0 error.
Wow! So your name was second. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of it. Give yourself a pat on the back from me.
Yeah, I do.
It is not a small job, Favour. You passed in a new language, in a new country with their language with 0 errors, where Italians may have failed. And you passed. Big deal. Big deal.
And your words helped me. I saw 3 questions and I remember something whenever you say, now, none of my students should read this nonsense. Immediately I saw that intersection. I say, now, Favour, don't read this nonsense. Just go straight and answer it. And I answered it correctly. I was so happy. Like, everyone was looking at me. I was crying because they don't understand. We were 5 people that went from my school. I was the only one that passed.
Wow,
The 4
really?
Italians, they all failed.
All Italians failed?
They failed. I passed.
So that I'm so happy, so proud of you. Because imagine it's a big deal. It's their language. They know everything, but they still did not make it. I'm very proud of you. I know how you feel. Actually, you know what? Even if, when you're not talking, we can feel the joy. All of us can feel the joy in your heart. And
yeah, thank you so much. And please, I want to beg for a favor before I go, please.
Yes.
I have my 3 sisters here, Jessica, Blessing, and Ehis. Please, can you open their brain and help me put patente inside and close it up for me? Please help me. I really need that from you.
I'll do that. Definitely. Don't worry.
They are here in Torino with me. They really rejoice today with me, and I want to celebrate them also.
That's very sweet.
Okay,
tell all your friends. Favour, tell all your friends about us. You can let them.
I will.
Okay, thank you very much.
Definitely.
And Favour, I'm so proud of you. And if you can share the skeda, we'll be happy. So we can show our favors. I'll be very proud. This is my student who passed.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you all for the wishes. I wish you all the best. Thank you, everyone.
Wait, Favour. 4 days before your practical test, text me again. I'll give you all the secret to pass the practical test also in the first try. So you save a lot of money and a lot of time. Okay?
I will do that.
All the best. God bless you, Favour. You made us all very happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao.
Congrats.